My apartment has no buildings behind it, which is great if I want to look out the window, but not so great if I want to sleep past 6 in the morning. Regular blinds don't block enough light. It's still completely bright in here, and this will keep me awake. I prefer not to use curtains because they collect a lot of dust and they're always hanging down. The solution I found were roller blinds. These roller blinds are from Ikea. They're the Tupplur model, and they're listed as blackout shades. They cost about $15 each. There are much better solutions on the market, but they generally start at about $150 each. I wanted to keep this whole project below $40. These Ikea shades fit that bill and also met my light blocking requirement. When they're pulled all the way down, no light enters through the fabric, but a lot of light still comes in through the space between the shade and the wall. If we can come up with a system to keep the shade always pressed against the wall, we can keep nearly all of the light out. I hot glued metal strapping to the wall and tied a magnet on a string to it. When the curtain comes down, I can go over the curtain and magnetically tack it to the wall. Here's that in action. On the window at the foot of my bed, I used 4 magnets, 2 per side. On the window above my bed, I used 8 magnets, 4 per side. This makes a big difference. The roller blind on the left has nothing holding it to the wall. The one on the right is magnetically tacked to the wall. With both roller blinds held against the wall by magnets, it's more than dark enough for me to sleep in here. While it can be a bit tedious to pin the blinds to the wall before going to bed, when you wake up and open the blinds, it's very easy to undo the magnets all at the same time. I bought these magnets at Home Depot. A pack of 12 cost $4. This is the metal strapping that I used. It can be bought in any hardware store for a couple of dollars. I used tin snips to cut small sections, and then a pair of pliers to remove any burrs or soften any sharp edges. I used regular hot glue that I had lying around from other projects. I will provide links to all materials in the description.